Hello everyone, stop using meat until you see these.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're solving a big question. What can you use instead of meat? Tofu, the protein powerhouse. Tempeh, fermented and nutty. Mushrooms, and umami bomb. Tofu absorbs flavor like a sponge. Perfect for any dish.
Tempeh has a firm bite, very close to real meat.
Next is mushrooms, natural umami flavor.
Next is lentils, perfect for replacing minced meat.
Next is chickpeas, crunchy, filling, and super healthy.
Next is jackfruit, this looks like shredded meat.
Next is paneer, rich, satisfying, and perfect for any dish.
Which one would you try first? Comment below. Here are all the dishes that you can also prepare using these replacements.
Alright, that's it for today. Doesn't this look amazing? If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and drop you want me to cook next. I might pick your idea for my next video. See you in the next one.